Hello guys, today I will show you how to remove the bad sound from American freeze Samsung. My freeze is Samsung model number RS56X DZNS. So just this is simple. You have to take out the tray from the freeze and what you need, you have to, I already take out these two shows. You have to take out this from here, one another from here. So after that you just simply need a hair dryer machine like that. I have already in my home this one, like that. You just uh, this area is the cooling fan is over here. So when it make the sound, so you have to understand that your fan is not working smoothly. So what you will do, you just hit this thing, and before that you have to disconnect your freeze connection definitely. So what you will do, you just in this area you will heat around 5 or 10 minutes. So if you check my another video, you will find the sound problem, the sound of this freeze. I already uploaded this video in my channel Crazy Boom. So this is the solution or resolving problem to remove this sound. A little bit over here, so okay, if you continue like 5 or 10 minutes, I think the problem will be resolved. It will not make any other bad sound. So I already dry with the hair dryer machine around 10 minutes this thing, and you see the water is falling down. So before start, you have to put the things like that, and another just like that. So I'm going to connect the freeze, whether it will make sound or not. So I already made the connection. The freeze temperature is not fixed. Before it was the freezer was minus 20 degree. Now it's shown minus 17 because I disconnected the electricity, and freeze is 11 now. It gonna 4 or 5. So I think for freeze temperature it should be 4 in every American freeze. So cool. Now it's not making any noise. Is normal. So I hope this video will help you to do some mechanic thing in your home. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video. Okay, thank you.